At Zhengzhou Meishuwa Intelligent Equipment, we don't just sell vibrating screens. We build screening systems made to keep running, shift after shift. Our core strength is screening manufacturing. Every circular vibrating screen we build is engineered for one thing: reliable, high-capacity screening that lasts. First, the exciter. A strong, stable drive with a precise circular motion makes material lift and stratify fast, so the mesh stays clean and never clogs. Second, structural rigidity. Our side plates are weld-free, joined with high-strength rivets and thickened steel, so they won't crack or deform under constant vibration. Third, the bearings. We fit large clearance, vibration-grade bearings built for heavy, around-the-clock duty, the tough core that keeps your line running. When you choose a screen, don't just compare prices. High output, long service life, and no cracked plates, that's a screen worth owning. Zhengzhou Meishuwa Intelligent Equipment. SDMAK.com